Once you have identified a credit card charge for which use tax needs to be paid, begin by identifying on the receipt which GL account number the item was charged to and a description of the item. In this example, the items that were purchased were replacement parts for food processor, and they are being charged to account 715. Next, we need to calculate the total amount of use tax that needs to be paid. The total on this invoice is $19.53, which includes the shipping and handling charge. For this example, we will be using Michigan's rate of 6%. That will give us a total use tax of $1.17. Again, the three items that need to be documented on the receipt are the GL account number, the item description, and the use tax amount. Next, you will need to fill out your use tax template that had previously been sent to you. A separate template should be used for each card holder. Begin by filling in the name of the card holder in cell A3. Next, in the line below it, please identify the unit name. Next, we'll need to fill out the merchant name, item purchased, GL account number, date, and the taxable amount. In our example, the merchant is appliancepartspros.com. The item purchased was replacement parts for food processor. The GL account number was 715. This transaction occurred on June 12th, and the amount of the invoice is $19.53. As you can see, the use tax will automatically calculate based on your state's rate. If you have more than one transaction where use tax needs to be paid, enter it on the next line, which would be row 8, and the total use tax amount will calculate for you at the bottom of the template. Please save the template with the card holder's name. If you do not have any use tax, please fill out the template with the card holder's name, the unit name, and then simply write no use tax. The use tax template should be sent in to your accounting contact every month, even if there is no use tax. Please send the template in with your week 3 worksheet, credit card statements, and credit card receipts. Next, we need to enter this information onto our weekly worksheet. Our credit card charges were $19.53, and then on the subtotal line, just above the credit card in the transfer section, we are going to write use tax. Then we are going to write the amount of the use tax, which was $1.17, and this will adjust our total purchases to match what we have. So as you can see, the credit card line has the total amount of the invoice, and then we also have to include the additional use tax that needs to be paid. If you have any questions, please call the home office to speak with your accounting contact.